Good afternoon. My name is Ed Kinsella. I'm the R&D Director at Acoustics. Welcome to ISE 2020. We have here the R10, which is our latest product. R is for reference series. This is basically our latest thinking in terms of high fidelity at all levels. It's a three-way speaker, two 10s, and a coaxial compression driver with a 4-inch ring radiator for the mid and a 2.5-inch ring radiator for the HF, all coming through the same point, which improves the parallax and makes the directivity more consistent. What's also unusual is that this is fully passive, so one amplifier channel, but without compromising the phase response. The phase response is flat from 150 Hertz all the way out to the end. And the other unique thing, due to this crossover, is you can take the wide horn out of the wide version and replace it with the narrow horn, and all you do is change a preset on the amplifier. It's separate from the compression driver, so you don't have to worry about messing around with cables or anything like that, which from a rental company's point of view I think is quite attractive. You don't have to carry so much inventory, it's more flexible. We have a demo in London at the Music Bank in March. Details of that can be found on our website, emacoustics.co.uk.